Tesla's mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. And to that end, they've developed technology to address clean transportation, energy generation, and storage. But if comments from Elon Musk are anything to go off of, we could see the company moving into the home heating and air conditioning space. So that got me wondering, could Tesla kill the HVAC market? Hey everyone, Brandon here, and this is Time to Adult. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. If not, thanks for coming back. Since their introduction in the late 1800s, heating and cooling systems have undergone several evolutions, becoming an integral part of the home in the developed world. The HVAC system has become standard for the average home built in the United States, but its high energy consumption and inefficiency has made this an area that is ripe for disruption. Elon has mentioned on a few occasions that Tesla will develop an HVAC system, and I think that this could happen sooner than we think. That's why in this video, we're going to examine the HVAC landscape and discuss how Tesla could turn it on its head. So let's start with the current HVAC landscape. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, and is the system responsible for climate control and air quality within buildings and vehicles. The HVAC system is the largest consumer of energy in the home by far, and accounts for about 46% of energy consumption for an average home. An average 3,500 watt system could use between 28 and 63 kilowatt hours of electricity per day, or 850 to 1950 kilowatt hours per month. At the national average energy rate, which is 13.19 cents per kilowatt hour, that's a cost of up to $3,100 per year in just HVAC energy costs. System efficiency has a major impact on energy cost, and if Tesla could develop a significantly more efficient system, the savings could be massive. The benefit isn't just economic though. More efficient systems will result in a lower direct carbon emission from heating the home, as well as a lower carbon emission from the energy generation to power the HVAC system. Moving on to the HVAC market, in 2018, over 14 million HVAC systems were sold in the US, valuing the market at about $16.3 billion. With construction on the rise, especially in the residential sector, this market is expected to grow even more. The average residential HVAC installation costs between $25 and $60 per square foot, or $6,800 to $12,300 for a new installation on the average US home. While cost is a significant factor, a greater emphasis is being placed on the efficiency, health, and comfort that the system provides. An HVAC system that can create a comfortable environment with high air quality at a low energy cost will win, and Tesla has all the tools to make this a reality. Now let's examine Tesla's potential to get into the HVAC space. Creating an efficient HVAC system is a mechanical engineering problem that requires a deep understanding of thermodynamics, and Tesla has the best engineers in the world to tackle this problem. Balancing power efficiency and performance is what Tesla does best, and this can be seen in their vehicles. The octovalve, which is part of the thermal management system in the Model Y, is a perfect example. Tesla developed a heat pump to control cabin and battery temperatures far more efficiently than previous models, giving the Model Y a range comparable to the Model 3 despite being significantly larger. I think one of the ways that Tesla could improve HVAC efficiency is through a valve system that cuts off airflow to unoccupied spaces in a home. Elon has mentioned in the past that heating or cooling the entire house is a huge waste of energy, and a smart valve system could solve this problem by controlling the airflow by room. Those of us who are energy conscious may already do this by closing the vents in certain unoccupied rooms. But this isn't always feasible, and it's usually a pretty big pain. Having a system that would allow you to control airflow from your phone or smart thermostat would make a huge difference. Along with manual controls for this, Tesla could employ its machine learning expertise to create a system that automatically conditions the air in a room based on our habits. Perhaps the system could cool your room based on a learned bedtime, or maybe it could communicate with your Tesla vehicle and use geofencing to know when you're arriving home, setting the perfect temperature in your main living spaces. Tesla's focus on air quality would also find its way into the Tesla HVAC. The bioweapon defense mode, seen in the Tesla Model X, uses HEPA filtration to create a cabin environment free of dust, bacteria, allergens, and pollution. I've used this feature in my Model X, and the difference was significant. Imagine having this type of environment in your home. With more people working from home, having noticeably higher air quality and more efficient climate control will be critical. From a business perspective, this multi-billion-dollar industry could be another branch of Tesla's energy business and would further build out their product ecosystem. Since the HVAC system is such a large part of a home's energy requirement, Tesla solar customers could benefit from the Tesla HVAC that uses less of the energy that the solar system generates, pushing these customers further towards energy independence. The Tesla HVAC system is likely a few years off, but I believe that it's another way that Tesla can create value for their customers, build out their ecosystem, and help accelerate the world's transition towards sustainable energy. But what do you think? Is a Tesla HVAC system a viable product line for the company? When do you think Tesla will announce such a system? Would you buy a Tesla HVAC system? And how much would you spend? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is a new channel, and I'd really appreciate it. With that, I'm Brandon, and this is Time to Adult. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you the best on your journey toward a better tomorrow.